Hello friends, so in today's video I will be working on the front tire. This is the tire from the donor bike. See, it's nearly new. There are still these rubber pieces there. Yeah, the design, it looks very good. Also the bearings are good. So yeah, what needs to be done is cleaning it a bit and then probably removing this and cleaning it or changing it. So that's what I'll be doing today. I have removed the wheel from the original white bike. I can show you the rim here, but it is not suitable for use because it has to be fixed reworked. So I can show you it has a lot of corrosion. So I will be measuring these plates if they are still within the specs, and if they are, I will be just replacing those or resurfacing them so they are shiny. For this original white bike tire that was mounted there, you can see there is a lot of corrosion here, so it cannot be used as is. I will be fixing that and reusing this rim only for moving the bikes around the shop and such. So for now I do not have to put new tire on this front wheel, but I have the tire in stock, so I will be changing it in the next the next interval when the tire has to be changed, together with the bearings. But at this time the bearings are still good and the tire is still looking good, so I will be just cleaning it around. So let's do that. Yeah, also the seal is good. It's just dirty, so I will clean it up, put new grease in here. And that will be fine. And I will get rid of these old stickers from the weights, balancing weights. Even though I'm using screwdriver, I'm being very careful not to scratch the surface, so I just get rid of the sticker and clean the rest with WD-40 here, which is on the glove. I use WD-40 nearly on everything. I like it because it cleans, lubricates, and keeps the water away from the surface as well. So see, there are some deep scratches here, 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 here. Okay, so this side is starting to look good. Let me compare the other one. Minimum thickness is 4 millimeters. This one looks better, so I will use this one and then clean up this one. Here the minimum thickness is, I guess, the same. Yeah, so since we will be working on this rim anyway, so we do not need it here yet, so I will just take it out, use it on the other bike, other wheel that we are going to use right now. Then once I fix this, I'll put the rim on the spare tire and use that, which will be clean. Wait for a while. For now, let me get my tools. Okay, that took some convincing. 450 meters. The same like on my car. Okay. Yeah. This disc looks pretty good. Weekends from the WD-40. I will hand tight it properly, and then in the garage, the workshop, I will double check it with the torque wrench. But the resistance is pretty good when I am putting it in, so there is still a lot of thread locker. That should be enough. It's also aluminum, so do not use too much force, but that should be, yeah, probably already according to specs, so I will just double check it in the workshop, but now it's good. Yeah, so this is for the front tire. What I've done is cleaned up a bit, changed the front brake disc. Yeah, the tire is still good. You can see still the new markings. Yeah, it's just a bit dirty, but it will be cleaned up once I use the pressure washer or something like that. There are still these notches which indicate the new tire. Let's see when it was produced, if I can find it. No. Yeah, but in the workshop I will just clean it up with brake cleaner. Yeah, put a new loop and yeah, assemble. That's it. So this is for the front tire that we'll be using.